of our flight, do remain seated with your seatbelt secured until the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate. At that time, he will turn out the seatbelt sign, and that is your only indication that it's safe for you to move about. Since you're leaving us, be sure to look around you to collect all personal belongings you may have brought on board. Once we've reached the gate, if you find it necessary to open up the bins, do so with caution. Articles may have shifted during this flight. If you need help, check with the agents and they will help